La 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 la.
Oh, that's really good coffee.
Yeah, huh?
That's really good. Makade. Mushkiki wabu. Should we make that the Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, sure. That's a good idea.
Okay. You ready to get started?
Yeah, if you are.
All right. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO over here.
What?
Looking just cute.
Get out of here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO, everybody. Welcome to the show.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Makade. Mushkiki. Wabu. Makade, black. Mushkiki, medicine. Wabu, water. Huh, sweetie?
That's right. You tell him, baby.
So, back in the days of the grandfathers, it was the way of the Anishinaabe.
Oh,
it was part of the cultural practice of the original people to Turtle Island. That in the morning, you would prepare a pot of coffee and, get up, read the paper, have some coffee.
Yeah.
I think it's just that simple, sweetie.
Yeah.
And so, what can I say about black medicine water? Makade, black. Mushkiki, medicine. Wabu. Wabu is any kind of water that you sip. I know sometimes people think that wabu, that water is nibi.
Yeah.
Right, because of the water bottle.
Right.
Water. And it is. Nibi does mean water.
Mm-hmm.
But wabu is a water that you sip, like coffee, because it's hot.
Yeah.
Tea, anibish abu.
Anibish.
Hot tea, you say anibish abu.
Anibish
Cold
abu.
tea is just anibish. And that's also very cultural. Sometimes Anishinaabe people would drink cedar tea.
Yeah, huh?
Cedar tea, it's a good. It gets rid of the toxins.
Mm-hmm.
What else, sweetie?
I don't know. What do you think?
Hey, I know what.
What's that?
So you might have noticed, our morning show looks a little different
Yeah, I'll say.
than usual, because usually it looks like it's just coming out of your radio station.
No.
It's coming out of your car radio.
Right.
On KAXE, KBXE, community radio, rocking the Northland. But now we're going to be doing these, videos with a short Ojibwe phrase of the day. And so, come back. So here's two more phrases, sweetie, I think we should teach.
Okay, what's that?
Because we use it all the time. Mino Giga Jabe.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mino Giga Jabe. Ni weenie mushane. Good morning, sweetheart.
Mino Giga Jabe, NANABOOZHOO.
Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. And I want to say Mino Giga Jabe to all y'all.
To all y'all.
Nij Anishina, or what is it? Nij Indinawe Maganadoog. Nij Indinawe Maganadoog. To all my relations. And, I don't know. You want to add anything to this, sweetie?
Well, I don't know. No, really.
Okay. Well, and then here's one more phrase. In the Ojibwe cultural way, we never say goodbye.
Oh, yeah, huh?
We always say, I will see you again.
Mm-hmm.
And to say that in Ojibwe, we say, Gi gawabamin minawa. So, sweetie, would you say Gi gawabamin minawa and send us out?
Well, sure, I'd be happy to.
All right.
Hey, everybody. Just want to say Miigwech bisandawieg. Thank you for listening. Oh, sweetie.
That's right.
And today's Ojibwe word of the day, Muckade Mushkiki Waboo. Coffee. And yeah, and thank you for watching Miigwech Gunawabieg BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minawa. Hoa!
Hoa!
Oh, man. And you are listening to KAXE, KBXE, Rockin' the Northland Community Radio's greatest community and best radio station. See you next time.